This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. It includes power seats, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.